Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make beeswax in Icarus. Now first things first, you are going to have to find a bee's nest in the wild. As you can see right here, right in front of me is pretty much a bee nest inside of a tree stump. Now let me get off my mount right now and just get him unstuck from this wood right here. Now thankfully there are no bees here, but what you have to do is pretty much destroy the nest first by using either your ranged weapons or you can go for melee right here. Once you've destroyed the nest, you can then press F to interact with it and you can find some honeycombs. Now let me just get back over to my base. Alright, now back inside my base, I'm going to go over here to the mortar and pestle and I can find the recipe for the beeswax right here. And I already have some honeycombs inside it, so I can just make some beeswax out of 2 pieces of honeycomb. Now let me just press craft and it will take about 20 seconds to make it. Now for those of you that have gone through later stages of the game, you can make a beehive right here. Now as you can see, this is a fully upgraded beehive that I have. It includes the small beehive expansion, the beehive breeding center, the large beehive extension, and finally the beehive extractor, which uses electricity. And as you can see, there is a lot of honeycomb inside, but because of the beehive extractor right here, it basically attaches to a beehive that can process honeycombs into honey and beeswax automatically for you. And that's pretty much about it on how to get beeswax in Icarus.